Okay guys, I'm going to give you a little bit of a tour of the containers. It's going to be a mini tour. Okay, so here are the ones that I did a couple of weeks ago. And as you can see, they're doing well. They're starting, the sweet potato vine is starting to fall. Remember, it's sweet potato vine, Caroline, it's like Sweetheart Caroline something. I'll put the name in the description. And then there's the cherry lantana. And then there's the Super Belle. That one's not blooming right now, but these are. I'm going to fertilize them at some point in time today because I feel that it needs it. So I'll go in the prayer garden. Those planters are not doing well at all. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with that, but actually, you know what? The Snapdragon look like they're starting to bud again, so I'll trim those up. But everything else is not really doing that great. So I'll try to think of something else I can put in that. And look at this. This is Coleus. It is getting ridiculously huge. Like I said, I don't know why. Like I neglected this section. It's doing so well. That's the first zinnia that's starting to open. That's the Thumbelina mix. I got them from Blushing Fields. And it looks like the Coleus is starting to flower a little bit. Here is the Moonflower planter. The wave petunia, as you can see, is starting to spill. Moonstone vine is really getting big. Actually, I'm thinking I'm going to get another trellis for it to go behind it, because it really is just, it doesn't look very happy. It looks like it's doubling back in on itself. But I'm happy with the growth. The Dusty Miller in here bit the dust. We had a lot of rain at one point, and I think that's what killed it. There's some white coneflower coming behind it, and oh, there's some angelonia in the pot that's looking pretty nice. Oh, you know what? Wow, the moonflower is actually starting to climb around the gladiolus. That's a little weird. Yeah, definitely have to get bigger trellis. Okay, here's the second planter. The Shasta Daisy is actually not in it, it's in front of it. But as you can see, this one is doing really well. Polka dot plant's looking pretty good. These Dusty Miller have survived. I don't understand what's going on here. And I think there's some Opal Innocence Nemesia back there. That's not doing altogether that well. Maybe I'll need to pull that out. Okay, here is the vegetables. Yeah, you know, all the water we've gotten just has not made this do good. I'm going to fertilize it. As you can see, I am getting a little bit of tomatoes I'm going to pull off. But that should have filled in a lot more, and it's just not. Looks like the only thing that's really enjoying the water is the tomatoes, because everything else looks like, because the peppers haven't set, and I don't think they're going to at this point. Okay, so here's the other planter. The petunias back here are not doing as well. I'm gonna need to trim that back. The Dusty Miller look okay. The geraniums I need to dehead. And the Nemesia, which is the Opal Innocence, that's the little thing in the back, it's doing pretty good. I'm going to give them some fertilizer and hope for the best. And let's see. Last but not least, the pot. There is I put a rose in a pot. Okay, this is Olivia Austin. It recently flushed, and unfortunately I didn't get a picture of it. But as you can see, all that red, that's all new growth, so it's doing well. I have drip tube in it. It seems to be acclimating well. I'm going to give it some fertilizer this weekend. And that is the Mocha Moon hibiscus. Look how big that is. And then there had been a flower bed over there, and I tore it apart. And I thought I dug the hibiscus out of there, and apparently I did not. So I'll wait till that finishes blooming, and then I'll dig it up. Okay, and then we have some oh goodness, what's it called again? Angelonia, Wedgwood Blue, that's getting nice and big. And then my Snapdragon is starting to rebloom. I do need to cut all those back. And that's pretty much it. But you know what? I wanted to show you these dahlias. I don't even know what type of dahlias these are because I don't remember when I planted those. But look, they came back. They're little things. I have dahlias sprouting all over the place. So I'll try to figure out what it was I planted. I really don't know. Anyway, that's it for the tour. I'm going to go in, get ready for work, and I will, hopefully I'll get to do a full garden tour sometime soon. Okay, bye.